What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Your car may look clean on the outside, but take a close look at the AC vents, cup holders, buttons, dashboard seams, and gear selector area. That is where dust, crumbs, pet hair, and grime quietly build up over time. A vacuum cannot always reach those tiny gaps, and a brush often just pushes dirt deeper into the crevices. That is exactly why car cleaning gel has become such a popular detailing tool. It presses into hard-to-reach areas, grabs loose debris, and makes cleaning your interior much easier. Today, we are counting down the top 6 best car cleaning gels you can buy right now. We are comparing tackiness, texture, residue risk, scent, durability, value, and how well each one handles those annoying spots in your car. All the links are in the description below, so let's get into it. On number 6, ColorCoral 2-Pack Car Cleaning Gel. Starting at number 6, the ColorCoral 2-Pack Car Cleaning Gel is one of the best budget options for anyone who wants a simple and affordable way to clean vents, cup holders, keyboards, dashboard seams, and other tight spaces. The biggest advantage is obvious. You get 2 containers, which gives you more value than most single-pack gels. Its texture is soft, flexible, and easy to press into detailed surfaces, making it especially useful for speaker grills, narrow AC vent fins, and textured dashboard panels. Because it is softer than firmer gels like TICARVE or PULIDIKI, it conforms easily to awkward shapes and can pick up fine dust, hair, crumbs, and loose dirt with very little effort. The downside is that soft gels can become harder to handle in a hot car. If you leave it sitting on the dashboard or in direct sunlight, it may become too sticky or lose some of its structure. It is also important to use it only on dry surfaces and pull it away slowly instead of dragging it across the surface. For occasional cleaning, budget buyers, or anyone who wants one gel for the car and another for the desk, ColorCoral is a solid, low-cost choice. On number 5, ASFSKY Car Cleaning Gel. At number 5, the ASFSKY Car Cleaning Gel is a good middle ground option for drivers who want reliable cleaning performance with a more pleasant experience. It is usually available in a single pack and often comes with a light magnolia-style fragrance, which is a nice change from gels that smell neutral or slightly chemical. Its consistency sits between the soft, ColorCoral gel and firmer options like TICARVE, making it easy to use on dashboard textures, vents, door pockets, console buttons, and keyboard gaps. It has enough tackiness to lift dust, pet hair, and small crumbs, but it is not so sticky that it feels difficult to remove when used correctly. One of its strongest points is that it tends to leave a clean, matte finish instead of making plastic surfaces look oily or shiny. Compared with ColorCoral, ASFSKY feels more controlled and slightly more dependable in warmer conditions, although it does not offer the same 2-pack value. It is a good pick for someone who wants a cleaner that feels a little more premium than the basic budget gels while still staying simple and easy to use. On number 4, generic 4-pack car cleaning gels. Moving up to number 4, the generic 4-pack car cleaning gels are all about bulk value. If you want cleaning gel for your car, home office, keyboard, gaming setup, remote controls, and other small electronics, this is one of the most practical packages on the list. You get 4 individual containers, usually in different colors, which makes it easy to keep separate gels for separate areas. One can stay in the car, one can go near your desk, one can be used for electronics, and you still have another left over. The gels are usually soft to medium in consistency, so they work well for AC vents, gear selector seams, cup holders, keyboards, and textured plastic surfaces. They are not always as consistent in quality as branded options, but they are effective for regular light cleaning. The main thing to remember is that these softer gels should never be used on wet surfaces, and they should be stored in a cool place because heat can make them overly sticky or reduce their lifespan. For buyers who care most about quantity and price per container, This 4-pack is one of the smartest value picks. On number 3, PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. At number 3, the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is the choice for people who prefer a firmer, controlled putty-like texture. While softer gels are great for flowing into wider gaps, PULIDIKI gives you more precision when cleaning tight seams around buttons, infotainment controls, gear selectors, dashboard trim, and delicate interior areas. It holds its shape better than most of the softer gels on this list, which makes it less likely to stretch too far, tear, or get stuck in extremely narrow spaces. That firmer texture also makes it easier to press into a specific area and pull away in one clean motion. It performs especially well on textured plastics, matte dashboards, and hard-to-reach console areas where dust tends to collect. The trade-off is that it may take a little more pressure to get into very narrow vent fins compared with something softer like ColorCoral or Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky. It is also usually more expensive than generic bulk packs. Still, if you are nervous about residue or want a gel that feels more structured and controlled, PULIDIKI is one of the best options for precision cleaning. On number 2, TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Coming in at number 2, the TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is one of the most dependable all-around options available. It has a medium firm texture that gives it a great balance between flexibility and strength. It is soft enough to press into vents, cup holders, dashboard seams, door handles, and keyboard gaps, but firm enough to pull away cleanly without feeling overly loose or messy. That makes it a very safe choice for people who are trying cleaning gel for the first time. TICARVE does a great job lifting dry dust, pet hair, crumbs, and loose debris without scratching surfaces or leaving behind an oily finish. It is also versatile enough to use in the car, around the house, or on computer accessories. Compared with softer gels, it feels more durable and easier to control. Compared with firmer gels like PULIDIKI, it is more flexible for everyday cleaning. It may cost more than a basic 2-pack or generic bulk option, but the consistent quality makes it worth it for anyone who wants one reliable cleaning gel that can handle almost every interior cleaning job. On number 1, Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky Car Cleaning Gel. Taking the number 1 spot is the Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky Car Cleaning Gel. This one stands out because it combines good cleaning performance, a softer, easy-to-use texture, a pleasant scent, and strong overall value. Chemical Guy's is already a well-known name in car detailing, and Sticky Icky feels designed for people who want their car cleaning products to be effective but also enjoyable to use. The gel is soft and highly malleable, which makes it excellent for AC vents, speaker grills, cup holders, dashboard seams, console buttons, and other detailed surfaces. It presses into gaps easily and picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair without requiring much force. It also has a fresh green apple-style scent, which is a nice bonus when you are cleaning a car interior that may already have food smells, dust, or pet hair. Compared with TICARVE, it is softer and easier to spread into delicate areas. Compared with PULIDIKI, it is less rigid and better for larger textured surfaces. You still need to store it properly and avoid leaving it in direct heat, but for buyers who want a fun, effective, and well-known detailing option, Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky is the best overall choice on this list. Comparison and final verdict. If you want the cheapest way to try car cleaning gel, go with the ColorCoral 2-pack. It is soft, flexible, and great for detailed surfaces, but it needs careful storage in hot weather. The ASFSKY is a nice middle ground option with reliable performance and a pleasant scent. If you need the most quantity for multiple areas, the generic 4-pack gives you the best bulk value. For precision cleaning and a firmer putty-like feel, PULIDIKI is the best choice. TICARVE is the safest all-around pick because it offers a great mix of flexibility, strength, and reliable cleaning performance. But if you want the best combination of cleaning ability, ease of use, scent, and overall experience, the Chemical Guy's Sticky Icky takes the top spot. If this video helped you find the right car cleaning gel, hit the like button, Subscribe for more useful car accessories and detailing reviews, and comment below with the dirtiest spot in your car that you need to clean next. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.